Hello everyone, this is Sandy Garden, Creative Coordinator for Crystal Cabinets. I'm going to take a few minutes to show you how to use some really helpful features when using Crystal's website, crystalcabinets.com. Okay, the next couple of things I'm going to show you involve viewing door styles on the site. Our products, let's go look at affordable custom door styles. So right now the doors are arranged in alphabetical order, so you can find them that way. Or you can click over here and let's say you just want to look at flat panel. Click on flat panel and then you see what doors we have in flat panel. Okay, let's click on Bayfield. And in here, you're also able to see the door styles in all of the different woods that they are available in. Okay, let's click on alder, and then the door changes to alder, and they're all shown in natural. But if you scroll down, you can see all of the stains that are available in alder. And cherry, and then you see the stains change to cherry stains. And for example, rustic hickory, and then you see stains on rustic hickory. And you can also look at antique ivory and antique nickel. The default is 5-piece MDF, and then you can see the painted finishes that are available on 5-piece MDF. And if you'd like to get a closer look of the door, click on the door and you get a nice enlarged image. And to even go in farther to see more detail, click again. And you really see all the details and the beautiful wood grain of the door. Doesn't that look great?